Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to download and install RStudio on your Windows computer. So let's get started.
Open your web browser and type RStudio Download into the search bar. Press Enter. Click the first link on the RStudio website and find the click on the Download and Install R button. On the CRAN or Comprehensive R Archive Network page, find Download R for Windows and click on it. Click Install R for the first time. Click Download R for Windows and wait for the download to complete. Go back to the Studio website and click on the Download RStudio Desktop. Wait for the download to complete.
Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded R executable files and open it. Follow the installations props, select your preferred language and click OK. Click Next. Choose your destinations, locations and click Next. Select the components you wish to install and click Next. Choose your startup options and click Next. Click Next again and wait for the installations to complete. Click Finish when the installation is done. For RStudio installations, locate the downloaded RStudio executable files and open it. Follow the installations props, click Next again. Click Installs, wait for the installations to complete.
Once the installation is complete, find the RStudio icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and open it. Click OK on any initial setup prompts. And welcome to RStudio. You are now ready to start using RStudio for your data analysis and programming needs. RStudio offers a comprehensive and efficient workspace that integrates various tools for data analysis, visualization, and reporting.